Welcome to I1 Business Presentation. I1 stands for Infinite Wellness Opportunity Network. Ito po yung ating mga board of directors. Number 1, we have Vice Dennis Villarosa for our VP for Training and Online Marketing. Next, we have Anthony Gatchalian, our Vice President for Sales and Marketing. Next, we have Chairman Charles Langurayan. This is our Chairman of the Board. So, sila pong tatlo, they have been in the business for 10 to 14 years. So, we are expert when it comes to this kind of business. Next, we have our President Richard Tamayo, which is a life coach and a pastor by profession. Ito po yung ating office. This is the lobby. Ito yung purchasing. Seminar room 2 and seminar room 1. Ito yung ating online facility. We are the first company na nag-launch na may ganitong kalaking office. Our office is 360 square meters. We are located at the Tycoon Building, 24th floor, Ortigas, Pearl Drive, which is one of the business center in the Philippines. These are products. We have the beverages. We have the Choco Loco, our chocolate drink. Our coffee, Cafe Plus. And this is our health juice, the Guyabano juice. We have the Four Seasons. This is our slimming juice. And we have the Melon Burst. This is our whitening juice. Next, we have our beauty soaps. We have Citron with citrus extract. Luminosity with collagen and kojic acid. Next, we have Raven with activated carbon. And next, we have Serenity with argan oil and papain. Next, we have Perla or Personal Lifestyle Assistant. Makikita nyo po yan sa Google Play Store as Libmos. Pwede mo po siyang install sa cellphone, sa tablet, and pwede mo rin gamitin sa PC. It's a health app na para kami kasamang nurse or dietitian sa cellphone mo. It was created by Dr. Blesenda Barona, which is the author of Healing Wonders of Diet. Gandahan po nitong app na to, napakarami na pong testimonies, mga totoong tao na natulungan pong gumaling sa mga sakit nila. And ang kagandahan po nito, it was backed up by before and after laboratories, like these people were able to reverse diabetes and high blood using or following the protocol of Perla without even using food supplements and medicines. Kaya po napakaganda po nitong application na to. Kaya po pag sinundan nyo po to, sigurado pong malaki po ang may tutulong nito sa mga nararamdaman nyo po. Kung gusto nyo pong malaman yung kabuuan ng tungkol po sa product na to, we will send you videos para magka-idea po kayo what is Perla and you could listen to the testimonies ng mga taong natulungan ng Perla. How to become a dealer in I1? Number 1, you must be at least 18 years old. Number 2, you have to find an I1 dealer as sponsor. And number 3, you fill up dealer application form. And most importantly, number 4, you should purchase a product set. Next, here is our packages. We have the silver, which costs 8,880 or 600 PB. Ang maximum na pwede mo kitain is 9,600 per day or 249,600 per month. Next, we have the gold pack, which costs 26,640, which has 1,800 PB or point value. 14,400 per day ang maximum na pwede mong kitain and 374,400 per month yung pwede mong maximum na kitain. Next, we have the platinum, which costs 62,160 and has 4,200 point value. Ang maximum na pwede mo kitain is 19,200 per day or 499,200 per month. Ito po yung ating 7 ways to earn. Number 1, we have the retailing. Number 2, we have the direct referral commission. Number 3, indirect referral commission. Number 4, month sales bonus or what we call the pairing bonus. Number 5, we have the direct referral upgrade commission. Number 6, we have the leadership bonus. And number 7, we have the unilevel bonus. Number 1, we have retailing. You'll get 25% lifetime discount on all the products. Here is how the system works. If this is you, when you join the business, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong A and B or left and right. Anyone na nagjo-join sa business ay magkakaroon ng sarili niyang set of A and B or left and right. Directly sponsored people or your first level are people na ikaw mismo ang naka-invite, whether nilagay mo sa left or right or whether na spill over. Indirectly sponsored people were people na na-invite ng mga direct na na-invite mo. Now let's go to the direct referral commission. Direct referral commission differs per package. Kapag may na-invite ka na nag-join ng silver, meron kang 800 pesos. Pag nag-join naman ng gold, you will have 2,400 pesos. At pag platinum naman, you will get 5,600 pesos. If this is you at meron kang na-invite na nag-join ng silver, meron kang 800 pesos. At kapag kami na-invite ka naman na gold, meron kang 2,400 pesos. Kahit na-spill pa sa ilalim, as long na ikaw mismo nag-invite, still, kung nag-join siya ng platinum, you will get 5,600 pesos. Now let's go to people who buys the multiple accounts. When somebody buys a multiple accounts, all direct referral will be yours. So kung bumili siya ng unang head niya ng platinum, sa'yo mapupunta yung direct referral commission na 5,600. Every time na nag-a-add siya ng additional head, lahat ng direct referral na 5,600 ay sa'yo napupunta. So kung bumili siya ng 7 heads, kikita ka ng 39,200 pesos. Now let's go to the indirect referral commission. If this is you, at ito yung na-invite mo direct, yung na-invite niya, that would become your first level. And yung second level mo was yung na-invite ng first level. The same, the third level was yung na-invite ng second level mo. Ang indirect referral commission ay nagbe-base kung anong package ang binili mo. So for example, if you join the silver, meron kang 5% sa first level. Pero sa second and sa third ay wala ka ng kita. Sa gold naman, meron kang kita na 8% sa first and 5% sa second level. Sa third level ay wala. Pero kapag platinum ang binili mo, that's the time meron kang kitang 12% sa first level, 8% sa second level, and 5% sa third level. That's the reason platinum is the best package. What if you buy the silver package? So ang first level mo kapag bumili ng platinum sa 5,600 na direct referral ay kikita ka ng 5%. So that's equivalent to 280 pesos. So, ang total na kinita mo kung silver ka is just 280 pesos. Pero kung nag-start ka naman sa gold, may kita ka na 8%, that's equivalent to 448 pesos. And sa second level mo ay kikita ka ng 5%, that's equivalent to 280 pesos. So, ang total na kinita mo is 728 pesos. Kung nag-start ka naman ng platinum, sa first level mo ay kikita ka ng 12%, that's 672. Sa second level mo, kikita ka ng 8%, that's 448 pesos. And sa third level ay kikita ka ng 5% or equivalent to 280 pesos. So all in all, that's a total of 1,400 pesos. Kaya kung titignan mo, mas maganda ang platinum package kasi hanggang third level ay pwede kang kumita ng indirect referral commission sa mga indirect mo. Now let's go to the match sales bonus or what we call the pairing bonus. If this is you, again, when you join the business, meron kang A and B or left and right. So when someone joins on the left and on the right, that is called a pair. Kung ganito naman ang scenario, again, when you join sa left and sa right, it's a pair. Kung ganito ang scenario, again, it's a pair. Kung ganito naman ang scenario, again, it's a pair. So if we draw an imaginary line, ibig sabihin, every time may pumapasok sa left and sa right, that's equivalent to a pair. Up to infinity. Ibig sabihin, hanggang dulo, basta't may pumapasok, left and right, ay kikita ka pa rin ng tinatawag na pairing bonus. Kaya kapag may pumasok na silver sa left and silver sa right, kikita ka ng 1,200 pesos. Kapag gold naman, ang pumasok sa left at gold sa right, may kita ka na 3,600 pesos. And kapag platinum naman ang pumasok both left and right, may kita ka na 7,200 pesos. What if meron pumasok na silver sa left and platinum sa right? Or meron pumasok na silver sa left and gold naman sa right? Or may pumasok na gold sa left or platinum sa right? Paano siya magpe-pair? This is where the use of point value takes place. Remember that every package na binibili natin ay may katumbas na points. For example, kapag nag-join ka sa silver, that's 600 points. Sa gold is 1,800 point value, and sa platinum is 4,200 point value. Just always remember na every 600 point value is equivalent to 1,200 pesos. Kaya if this is the scenario, kapag may pumasok na silver sa left at platinum sa right, yung 600 points sa left ay magpe-pair sa 600 points sa right. So, kikita ka ng 1,200 pesos. Magkakaroon ka ng weighting na 3,600 point value sa right. Again, kung meron naman pumasok na gold na 1,800 point value sa left, yan uli ay magpe-pair sa 1,800 point value sa right. So, kikita ka ng another na 3,600 pesos. Again, magkakaroon ka ng weighting na 1,800 point value sa right. Kung may pumasok uli na gold sa left, yung 1,800 na point value sa right ay magpe-pair sa 1,800 point value sa left. So, kikita ka ng another 3,600 pesos. So, 0 na ang points sa right, 0 na rin ang points sa left. And the cycle continues. Now, let's go to the direct referral upgrade. If this is you at may na-invite ka na nag-join sa silver package, kikita ka ng direct referral na 800 pesos. Kapag yung na-invite mo naman ang nag-upgrade sa gold, kikita ka na naman ng another 2,400 pesos. At kapag nag-upgrade siya sa platinum, kikita ka uli ng another 5,600 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, every time may na-invite ka na nag-upgrade, ay kikita ka ng paulit-ulit na direct referral commission every time na nag-upgrade siya ng package. Now, let's go to the leadership cluster bonus. If this is you at may na-invite ka na direct mo, again, ang first level mo was yung na-invite ng direct mo. Ang second level was na-invite ng first level at ang third level ay yung na-invite ng second level mo. Again, ang leadership cluster bonus ay nagbe-base kung anong package ang binili mo. If you buy the silver package, kikita ka ng 5% sa first level mo pero wala ka nang kita sa second at sa third level mo. If you buy the gold, kikita ka naman ng 8% sa first level at 5% sa second level pero wala ka nang kita sa third level. But if you buy the platinum, kikita ka ng 12% sa first, 8% sa second, and 5% sa third level mo. That's the reason platinum is the best package dahil hanggang third level, kikita ka ng leadership cluster bonus. Now, if you buy the silver package, sa first level mo, kapag kumikita ng 1 million per month sa pairing niya, kikita ka ng 5% commission or that's equivalent to 50,000 pesos. So, ang total na kinita mo is 50,000 pesos. Kung ang package mo naman was gold, sa first level mo, kikita ka ng 8% or equivalent to 80,000 pesos. Sa second level mo naman, kung kumikita yan ng 1 million per month sa pairing niya, again, kikita ka ulit ng 5% or 50,000 pesos. So, ang total na kinita mo is 130,000 pesos. Pero kung nag-start ka sa platinum, sa first level, kung kumikita ng 1 million per month sa pairing niya, ay kikita ka ng 12% or 120,000 pesos. Sa second level naman, nakikita ka ng 8% or 80,000 pesos. Sa third level, ay kikita ka naman ng 5% or 50,000 pesos. So, kumita ka ng 250,000 pesos. That's why platinum is the best package. Kung titignan mo, left lang ang gumalaw sa'yo or one leg lang. Wala kang tao sa right. Pero still, kumita ka pa rin ng 250,000 pesos. Kaya sa I1, you will really earn big bucks. Kikita ka talaga ng malaki kahit one leg lang ang gumalaw. Now let's go to the lifestyle reward points. If this is you and this is your first pair, second, third, fourth, your fifth pair is the safety net. Sa ibang kumpanya, ang fifth pair ay pinapalitan ng produkto. Sa amin naman, ang fifth pair ay pinapalitan ng lifestyle reward points that's equivalent to 300 LRP. Kung ang position mo ay silver, sa first level mo na nagpi-fifth pair ay meron kang kita na 100 LRP. Sa second and sa third ay wala ka ng LRP. Pero kung ang position mo ay gold, sa first level mo na nag-fifth pair ay meron ka 100 na LRP, pati sa second na nag-fifth pair ay meron ka uling 100 na LRP. Pero sa third ay wala ka nang kita. Ang total na kinita mo is 200 LRP Kapag ang position mo naman ay platinum, sa first mo na nag-fifth pair ay meron kang 100 na LRP. Sa second, meron ka uling 100 na LRP. Sa third, again, meron ka uling 100 na LRP. Ang total is 300 LRP. Kung titignan mo, that's the reason platinum is the best package. Kasi hanggang third level ay kikita ka ng 100 na lifestyle reward points. Accumulated points can be redeemed as follows. Pwede mong i-redeem sa laptop, sa cellphone, sa travel, or car loan, or panghulog ng kotse. Now let's go to the car incentive program. Kapag naka 100 pairs ka, ay mabibigyan ka ng 100,000 pesos na pang down ng kotse mo. Kapag 300 pairs naman, ay magkakaroon ka ng 300,000 na pang down ng kotse mo. But if you reach 700 pairs, ay magkakaroon ka ng 700,000 na pang down ng kotse mo. Ang kagandahan dito, there's no time frame. Kaya sa ayaw at sa gusto mo ay makukuha mo ang dream car mo. Now let's talk about the power of 2. Ibig sabihin, you sponsor 2 and everyone will do the same. Ibig sabihin, sa first month mo ay mag-recruit ka ng dalawa and that's the reason kikita ka ng 1,200 pesos sa pairing alone. Imagine, hindi na natin sinama ang direct referral dito at ang leadership bonus. Pairing na lang ang kukumpitin natin. Pero imagine, tignan mo kung magkano ang posible mong kitain kung sila at ikaw ay nag-recruit lang ng dalawa. Kung titignan mo sa pang 12 month mo, kumita ka na ng 2.4 million pesos. Kung lahat kayo ay nag-join sa silver, ang kikitain nyo is 4.9 million pesos. Kung lahat naman kayo ay nag-join sa gold, ang kikitain nyo is 14.7 million pesos. Pero kung lahat kayo ay nag-join sa platinum, ang kikitain nyo is 34.3 million pesos. So again, don't hesitate to grab this opportunity. Join us now. Contact the person na nagpanood sa iyo ng video na to.